Crystal McDonald, and I love to shop online. I'm one of the first persons this company contacted about being a brand ambassador.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Hartwell, and I am one of the first persons this company contacted about being a brand ambassador, and that's because I love to shop.
Hi, I am Keisha Cameron, and I am one of the first customers this company contacted to become a brand ambassador, and that's because I love to shop online.
Would you like to be able to ship packages and documents to Jamaica for free?
Would you like to be able to shop online from Jamaica, England, Canada, or US and have your packages delivered to your friends and loved ones in Jamaica?
When you do ship, are you tired of waiting in long lines just to collect your packages?
We are all enjoying these benefits. Click on the link in the description below and we will show you how.